Alright, here is your assignment. There is more to it than just this. There's actually 9 graphs. You have to take the equation of y equals mx plus b, which is slope-intercept form, and draw that. You have to graph it. You have to graph that line from slope-intercept form. Okay. Here's a little reminder. I recommend writing it on yours also, somewhere, wherever you can. Y equals mx plus b. M is the slope, right? How steep it is, and b is where it crosses the y. Okay. All right. So first, I'll help you with a couple. I'll help you with number 2, and how about number 5? Okay, 2 and 5. All right. So first, let's look at number 2, the y-intercept, right there. Or the b in the equation, the formula, is +1. So on the y, you just have to go to +1. Here's the point of origin. Just go up 1. There you go. And plot your point right there. Then it is a negative slope, right? So if a person's walking here that way, if he gets to something going down, would be that way, right? So our point, or our line, is going to be going in that direction, like it's going downhill. The slope is -2, -3. So remember, that is rise over run. Okay, rise over run. So, but it is a negative, so we're going to go down 2 and over 3. So we're going to go down 1, 2, and then over 1, 2, 3. There you go. We're going to connect those dots right there. Get rid of that. There you go. Okay, so it is going in a negative. Oh, shoot, sorry. There we go. It is going in a negative direction. Let's check that using the little triangle thing idea that we used last week. It is 2 tall and 3 long. It is a negative, so it would be -2 over 3. Okay, and it does cross at 1. Alright, good deal. Let's go to number 5. Alright, so the first thing you need to look at is your y-intercept. Where does it cross? It crosses at -1. Here's the point of origin. This is the y. Just start at 0, go down 1. So right there is your y-intercept. It is a negative slope. Remember that the value attached to the x is the slope. Okay, so we can't really do anything with just -3. We need to run also. So it's -3 over 1. Okay, so we've got the rise and the run. Rise and the run. That's all it is. How long it is. Alright, so -3. Remember, it's got a negative slope, so we're going to be going downhill like that. If your person was here, walking that way. So -3, 1, 2, 3, and we've got to be going in this direction, so it's going to be a +1. Right there. There you go. Alright, so let's connect those like so. And then we can check it by doing that. How tall is it? 1, 2, 3. How long? 1. So, and it is a negative. It is going down, so it would be a -3 over 1, which just equals -3. Okay, so your actual answer for the problem is that right there. And for number 2 is that right there. Okay, so if it's a positive, like number 3, it's going to be going that way. And it gives you the rise over run. So that's good. You don't have to put a 1 underneath it. This is the y-intercept, -2. Just go down 2 on the y, like so. And I don't think there's anything else too difficult here. Okay, so this one right here, the y-intercept is 2 right there. And then you've got a negative direction, so it's going down like that. Just y-intercept, is it negative, is it positive? And then graph it. So I don't think it'll be too bad. I think y'all will be surprised at how well y'all do.